Hello everyone. If you are new to my channel, so my name is Prabjeet, and in today's tutorial I'm gonna be showing you Alia Bhatt's makeup look from the movie Kalank. I really love this look, so I thought recreating this look for you guys. This look is so simple and elegant. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe me. Let's begin now. I'm starting with base makeup, and Alia Bhatt's base makeup was very illuminated. There was not much highlighter though, but at the same time it was dewy and glowy. So I'm starting with skin prepping. For that I'm using Moisturizer by Clinique. We'll apply the same all over the face. Now I'm using NARS Radiant Primer. This is very illuminated base primer which gives too much shine, hydration and glow to your skin. As you can see, my skin shines like wow. Next step will be the color correction. So I'm applying illegal orange corrector to hide the dark circles. I'll only apply the spots where I have discoloration. Then we'll tap powder on top of that to make that dry, so that this should not blend with foundation. Otherwise, this will look really orangish. Moving forward, here comes the hack to have glowy skin look. Just mix 1 drop of Rare Beauty Illuminizer with 2 drop of MAC foundation. As MAC is very lightweight foundation and gives us natural look. Now mix both the things together, and to spread foundation I'm using Beautylicious foundation brush, and now I'm applying this all over my face and neck. Next step, as Alia has very light contouring on her face, so I'm applying Pixie Cream Contour Stick. And to blend that, I'm using PAC Contour Brush. Following with Forever 52 liquid brush. Now to highlight high points of the face, we'll apply concealer by NARS, and then we'll use the same foundation brush to blend this concealer. Also, we'll apply the same on the eyelid to prep that for eyeshadow. And concealer might crease, therefore I'm applying setting powder by Mercier to set the base. However, I will not be putting much of powder, else it will look mattify skin types. And today we are doing fresh look, so less powder. Now next, for eye makeup, Alia went for brown smoky eyes and smudged Kohl Kajal type look. So with flash shader brush, I'm applying light brown color to saturate my eyelid. And then with blending brush, I'm diffusing the edges. Now I'm taking Faces Canada Kohl Kajal pencil and applying on lash line. You don't need to be precise or perfect, as we'll be blending this any which way. So once applied, now with small bullet brush, we will smudge this kajal. And this process will actually gives you, smoky effect. Now with same definer smudging brush, I will smoke out the lower lash line. And with blending brush, blend the edges with same brown color. So your brown smoky eye is done now. It was so simple. Alia's eyebrow looks very youthful and natural, so applying pencil only on the sparse areas, but not depositing much color at the inner part of eyebrow, else it looks very harsh and made up brows. Therefore, keeping it natural. Now for final eye look, I'm applying PAC Wink false lashes. Next, for the blusher, I'm applying light pink shade from the Imagic Touch palette on the high point of my cheeks. And after that, with Anastasia Highlighter palette, I'm applying bronze shade to highlight T-zone areas. Next, I'm applying Nude Peach Beautiful lipstick. And now setting my overall face with next Dewy finish setting spray, and this will give very natural glow to my skin. So all done, and now we have very long lasting natural and glowy makeup. Comes the final makeup look. Too fresh, too glowy. Mwah, love it. So you can carry this look at any occasion or party. I really hope you like this look, and if you really love this tutorial, then please like, share, and do consider my channel to subscribe. In the description box, you will also find all the product details. I'll mention everything there, and my social media links will also be there, so do follow me there too. Soon we will be sharing another look. Love you guys. Bye bye.